Students, you are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 10, main verbs and helping verbs. Main verbs means the verb that shows the action, that shows any doing. The subject is doing something. And helping verbs are words that gives a meaning, that helps the verb to know when it is happening. It is happening in the present or it is happening in the past. Okay. So, starting the chapter, notice the differences between the pairs of sentences. I dance, I am dancing. See, I dance and I am dancing. Children jump, children are jumping. Bees buzz, bees are buzzing. I read, I was reading. Did you see that in each pair the first sentence has only one verb? It is called the main verb. Now note that the second sentence in each pair has two verbs. The extra verbs in the second sentences, such as am, are, were, was, help us by giving more information about the main verb. They are called helping verbs. So main verbs shows the action and helping verbs gives us more information about the main verb. Okay? For example, I can say I dance. I dance. That means simply it is dance. I am dancing. It is giving a meaning that what I am doing, now I am dancing. Children jump. It is a general word. Yes, children loves to jump. Children are jumping. Here, children are jumping, showing the meaning that now the children are jumping. Bees buzz, bees were buzzing. It is showing the past. That means were. Maybe in the past time, bees were buzzing. I read, I was reading. It is also showing the past. Okay? So it is giving and more information that when the work is done, now or then, in the past. It gives the information about that. As you already know, a sentence must have a verb. Main verbs have the main responsibility of creating meaning for sentences. So main verbs gives the main information about the sentence or the subject. Helping verbs have different types of responsibilities in sentences. They help the main verb. For example, I go to school every day. I am going to school. Am is the helping verb. Going is the main verb. Okay. Next, read the following sentences. We play football every day. We are playing football now. I work on my science project. I am working on my science project. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. I plant 2 trees every year. I am planting a tree now. Read all the sentence given in the table once again. Underline the verbs there. These are the main verbs. Write the verbs in the blank below. So you have to read the sentences, the first column, and you have to underline the verbs and you have to write it over here. We play football every day. Play is the main verb. I work on my science project. Work is the main verb. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Helps is the main verb. I plant 2 trees every year. Plant is the main verb here. Now read the sentences too. Here you will find both main verbs and helping verbs. Underline the helping verbs and write them in the blanks below. We are playing football now. Are is the helping verb. I am working on my science project. Am is the helping verb. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. Is the helping verb. I am planting a tree now. Am is the helping verb. So you have to write the verbs and the helping verbs in here. The helping verbs above describe the past present time. The helping verbs above describe the present time. The action in the sentence is in the present time. Okay? All these sentences are showing the present time. We play football every day. That means it is in present. I work on my science project, present. And here also with the helping verbs, it is showing the present time. Next, read some more sentences which have helping verbs. They are a little different this time. Notice the difference. I was playing cricket last Sunday. Number B, my friends were playing with me. I was very happy that day. They were going for a picnic. The helping verbs in these sentences are was and were. The helping verb above describes the past time. The action in the sentences took place in the past time. Okay? So, was were shows the past time. That means the work that has already finished. The work that has already done or completed. Was were shows that. Okay? Next, a main verb tells us about an action. A helping verb lets us know the time of that action, the present or the past. The sentence may be meaningless without the helping verb. I painting a picture. It is not giving a proper meaning. I am painting a picture. It is giving the proper meaning. When we use is, am, are, was, were before the main verb, we add ing to the main verb. For example, I am cleaning the room. Okay? So, whenever we will add is, am, are, was, were, we will add ing with the main verb. Read the sentences below. Write each sentence if the action is in the present or in the past. We are building sand castles today. We were building sand castles yesterday. So, we are building sand castles today. It is present. And we were building sand castles yesterday. That means yesterday was gone. The work was completed. Now we are telling. Okay? So, it is past. One thing more, read the sentences below. That means you have to read the sentence and then you have to write which one is the present. That means which we are doing now or which we are doing today. And in the past or in the past, that means whatever we have done. In the past, that means it was completed. Now we are telling about it. Okay. I am baking a cake. That is present, and I was baking a cake. That was past. Number B and D you will do by yourself. I have explained number A and C. Next, read the story below, circle the helping verbs and underline the main verbs. Write present or past in the blanks given. One has been done for you. Once a little girl was feeling hungry. Circle it. It is helping verb. Feeling, that is main verb. Hungry. She decided to eat some fruit. Decided is also in the past. She found some grapes. Past. As she was opening her mouth, that means found and was opening, you have to write in the blank past. You have to underline found and you have to underline opening and you have to circle was in the second line. Her mouth, she heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard, underline it, it is in the past. The little girl said, Mom, are you screaming? Are is the helping verb. It is present. Screaming, it is also in present. No, said her mother, I am not screaming. Am, circle it. Screaming, underline it. It is in the present. Dad, were you screaming? Where, circle it. Screaming, underline it. It's past. No, I was not screaming. Was, circle it. Screaming, underline it. Past. You have to write past over there. No, said the grape. It was me who was screaming. Was, circle it. Screaming, underline it. Mom, the fruit is talking. It is present. Next, we playing football last Sunday. What you have to do? The sentences given below are incomplete. Add a helping verb to each sentence and rewrite them. Rewrite means you have to write the full sentence again. You have to write the full sentence again. Okay, you will not write only the helping verb, but you have to write the full sentence by adding the helping verbs. We playing football last Sunday. We were playing football last Sunday. I working on my science fair project an hour ago. I was working on my science fair project an hour ago. I was working because an hour ago the work was completed. That's why we are putting was over there. Raghavan working with his father in the garage now. Now means at the present. So we will put over there is. Raghavan is working with his father in the garage now. I planting a tree here. Here, that means it is in the present. So I am planting a tree here. The monkeys jumping from tree to tree. It is showing the present. The monkeys are jumping from tree to tree. The cars racing on the track. The cars were racing on the track. Now, helping verbs can also act as linking verbs. Yes, they are also able to act as a linking verbs. In some sentences, they link main noun or pronoun to the sentence with their description. For example, this ball is red. So it is giving a linking with the noun and the description. I was late for the party. These dresses are pretty. Okay? So you will next find the main nouns nouns, noun expressions, pronouns, and their descriptions in the given sentence and write them down. See how they are linked by linking verbs. We were in the park. Here, noun is we. Where is the linking verb? And in the park. It is showing that they are present where? In the park. Okay. Rinku and Meena are friends. Rinku and Meena, noun, are linking verb, friends, description. My uncle, noun, is linking verb, an officer in the army, description. So first three I have discussed, last 4, 5, 6 you will do by yourself. Okay. Next, go to the revision. The two types of verbs are the main verbs and the helping verbs. Helping verbs tell us about the dash of the action. Helping verbs tell us about the time of the action, of an action. Helping verbs can also act as linking verbs. Okay? So you will do by yourself, read the chapter, try to understand. If you will not understand, ask me in the live class. Till the next class, goodbye. Have a nice time.